Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A couple of days later than anticipated, but it is my Slimming World weigh-in. So yes, as you know, there's a bit of a delay for me sort of starting back properly after my husband's accident, but got back last week and then went on Saturday for my weigh-in. I had quite a good week the first half of the week, and the scales were showing a really good loss, and then I was sort of back at work and it was just all a bit chaotic, hospital appointments and things, and second half wasn't as good. Did have a couple of pizzas, which isn't really Slimming World friendly. However, went to group on Saturday and got weighed, and I'm really pleased to let you all know that I got 1.5 pounds off, which was taking me now to 11 stone 12, so that's £2 altogether. So yeah, at least it's going in the right direction, and it was a really pleasant surprise, and so that loss has really motivated me now just to continue on. So today's now very Tuesday, and I've been on plan 100%. So I feel like I'm doing well, starting to feel less bloated and things as well, so that's really good. At group on Saturday I picked up the new magazine for which one's it for? October. So obviously if you buy a magazine in group it only costs you £1.95. If you buy it in the shops it's £2.95. So this is what it looks like, and it also had this little booklet in as well, which is like a little fake out feast. So instead of going to the takeaway, you can just get some yumminess at home and some really lovely things like beef lasagna, southern style chicken with barbecue beans, sweet corn slaw and fries, so you can ditch the KFCs. So these sort of come around quite every year, you sort of kind of get a little fake away, but they are good and I keep them all. Magazine, they've got some really lovely things actually. So again, I need to just, once life settles down, I will definitely be doing some cooking videos. But if there's anything in here, if you've seen, if you want me to do or try, let me know. Just trying to look for a couple of things that look delicious. So this looks really good. Steamed chocolate and orange pudding. Like, oh, that looks so nice. And how many sins is that? 4.5 sins a serving, which isn't bad. Like your standard packet of crisps. But meal wise, they've got some really nice things in here. I did notice, I think there's like a bit of an Indian thing going on. Just trying to see. Let's have a look. What else have we got? I can't find it now I'm looking. It's so full of so many good ideas, recipes, inspirational stories. There are over 70 recipes in this month's magazine, which is like incredible. So there's loads and loads of ideas for food. Oh, here we go. What have we got here? Some, what's it, a king prawn dansk. There's some new Slimming World ready meals coming out as well. Huge Indian selection, so Indian seems to be the way forward. Pork fillet with balsamic mushroom sauce, that looks really yummy. I just love proper dinners. I've been eating a lot of proper dinners. So many yummy things. I've got some stuff over on my Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me there. Marcy Slimming World, and that's it, really quick. I have put on this week's shopping video. I'll pop a link up here for you, and it'll be on the clickable link at the end of the video. So yeah, I did a full shop in Morrison's, so do check that one out. And how are you getting on? You having a good week? I just feel so motivated. I think it was 16 weeks till Christmas, so even at £1 a week, it's over a stone off. So you know, if I get 1.5 a week, I'm going to be at my target, which is like fantastic, so I'd love to do that for Christmas. So another couple of weeks and then I will measure again and check my measurements from start measurements to now. So I'll do it at the end of the month, and yeah, so keep on going guys, whether you're doing Weight Watchers, Slimming World, just healthy eating, or trying to cut back and be good, and I will see you all next week. Bye.